So we shall now look at the example for all pair shortest path using Floyd's algorithm. Okay. So in this graph, as you can see in this graph, the vertex is having an outgoing edge from 1 to 2 with a cost of 3, right? So similarly, there are different weights for the different edges. Now from 1 to 3, which is the shortest path? So 1 to 3. So we have see here 1 to 4. Then 4 to 1 and then 1 to 3 like this, or 1 to 2, 2 to 3. So 3 plus 2, 5. 5 is the shortest path. Then from 2 to 1, from 2 to 1 there is already direct edge with a cost of 8. However, from 2 to 3, 3 to 1, so 2 plus 5, 7, which there is a better path, shortest path from via 3, isn't it? Therefore, you need to find such all pairs shortest paths from each vertex to every other vertices. Okay, all right. So first I will write the matrix D0. This matrix is nothing but the weight matrix. So 1 to 1, what is the cost? What is the cost? 0. Okay, then 1 to 2, what is the cost? It is 3. Next 1 to 3, 1 to 3, is there direct edge? No, therefore make it as infinity. Next 1 to 4, there is there direct edge? 1 to 4, yes, and what is the cost? Cost is 7. Next 2 to 1, so 2 to 1 it is 8, 2 to 2 0, 2 to 3 2, 2 to 4 infinity. 3 to 1, so 3 to 1 5, 3 to 2 infinity, 3 to 3 0, 3 to 4 it is 1. Next 4 to 1 it is 2, 4 to 2 infinity, 4 to 3 infinity, 4 to 4 0. Okay, so this is the first matrix D0. All right. Now you have to find what is called as the next matrix, that is D1. So this matrix, how it is computed? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay. So as we solve the transitive closure, similarly we have to consider the first row and first column. Okay. So first row and the first column. Okay, I will select. Now what D1 indicates? So all the shortest paths from every vertex to every other vertices using 1 as the intermediate vertex. Using 1 as the intermediate vertex. Okay. Therefore, see here, 2 to 1, what is the cost? 8. Next 1 to 2, what is the cost? It is 3. So 2 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 1, then 1 to 2. So 2 to 1 cost is 8 and 1 to 2 cost is 3. So 8 plus 3, 11. However, 2 to 2 there is already lesser cost, that is 0. Okay, therefore you need not to replace this. Next here 2 to 1 and 1 to 4. So 2 to 1, what is the cost? 8. 2 to 1, next 1 to 4. 2 to 1 the cost is 8 and 1 to 4 the cost is 7. What is the cost? Total cost 15. Therefore you can reach 2 to 4 via 1. You can reach the vertex 4 via 1 with a cost of 15, and that 15 is less than infinity. Therefore I can replace it. Okay, so I will replace 1 to 4 2 to 4 cost to be 15. Okay, so the first row, first column as it is 0 3 infinity 7. Next it is 8 5 2 here. All right. Next coming to this 3 to 1 5, then 1 to 2 3. Therefore I can reach 3 to 2. So 3 to 1 5, 1 to 2 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8 and 3 to 2, therefore 8 less than infinity. I can replace 3 to 2. I can replace 3 to 2, yeah, as 8. And this previous row as it is 0 and 2. Okay. Next Coming to 3 to 1, 1 to 4. So it is 12. 3 to 1 cost is 5, 1 to 4 cost is 7. Therefore, 3 to 4 the cost is 12. However, we have a better path, that is 1. Therefore, we will retain 1 as it is and this 0 as it is. Next, here 4 to 1 and 1 to 2. Yeah, 4 to 1, 1 to 2. Therefore, there is a path from 4 to 2. 4 to 1, what is the cost? 2. And from 1 to 2, what is the cost? 3. So, total cost is 5. Therefore, 4 to 2 cost is 5 and currently 4 to 2 cost is infinity. So, 5 is less than infinity. I will replace 5. Next, so here infinity is there. Next, 4 to 1, 2. 1 to 4, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. However, 0 is less than 9. So, this infinity as it is and this 0 as it is. Done? This is what? D1. Okay. Next. Next, you have to compute the D2. In order to compute D2, you have to select the second row, second column. Okay. Now see here. One, two, three, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I will retain these zeros as it is because they will not change anyhow, isn't it? Second row, second column as it is 8, 5, and then this 8, then 2, 15. Okay. All right. Now, see here 1 to 2, 3, then 2 to 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Already we have 0. Don't touch it. 1 to 2, 3. Then 2 to 3 is 2. Therefore, 1 to 3 there is a path. And this length of the path from 1 to 3 is via 2. 1 to 2. See here. 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. Therefore, we have a path from 1 to 3 via 2. And the cost of 1 to 2 is 3 and 2 to 3 is 2. Total cost is 5 and this 5 is less than infinity. Therefore, I will have to replace 5 here. That's it. Right? Next. Next is 1 to 2 and 2 to 4. So 1 to 4 there is a path with 15 plus 3, 18. However, 7 is less than 18. Next. Come to this 3 to 2, 3 to 2 and 2 to 1. So 8 plus 8, 16. However, 5 is less than 16. Next. 3 to 2 and 2 to 3. Therefore, 3 to 3, 8 plus 2, 10. However, 0 is less than 10. Next. 3 to 2 and 2 to 4. So 3 to 4 there is a path. However, 1 is less than 15 plus 8. Next. 4 to 2, 4 to 2 and 2 to 1. So 8 plus 5, 13. 2 is less than 13. 2 as it is. Next. 4 to 2 and 2 to 3. There is a path. So 4 to 2 cost is 5 and 2 to 3 cost is 2. Right? Therefore, 4 to 3 there is a path with a cost of 7. So 4 to 3 there is a path of cost 7, which is 7 is less than infinity. I replace 7 here. Done. Next. 4 to 2 and 2 to 4. So 4 to 4, 0 is already there. So keep it as it is. So these values remains unchanged. Right? So this 7 as it is. So this is what D2. Next you have to find D3. Next we have to find D3. So in order to find D3, you have to consider the third row, third column in the previous D2 matrix. Right. Now see here. So 1 to 3 and 3 to 1. So 1 to 1, it is already 0. 1 to 3, 3 to 2. So 3 is already there, lesser value. Next, this 5 as it is, then I will write this 5207 and here 5801. Okay. Next here 1 to 3 and 3 to 4, there is a path. 1 to 3, 3 to 4, what is the cost? 5 plus 1. 1 to 3, 3 to 4, so 5 plus 1, 1 to 4, there is a path of the cost 6. What is the current cost? 7. Therefore we have a better path, therefore replace 6, replace with 6. Done. So I repeat, 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 is less than 7, so replace 7. Right. Next is 2 to 3 and 3 to 1, so 5 plus 2, 7. However, there is a 8 here, therefore 7 is less than 8, I can replace. Next 2 to 3, 3 to 2, therefore 2 to 2, 0 as it is. Next 2 to 3, 3 to 4, therefore 2 to 3, 3 to 4, therefore 2 to 4, there is a path. Present cost is 15, the new cost is 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is less than 15, so replace with 3. Right. Next here 1 to 3, then 3 to 1, so this is already done. Right. Next 4 to 3, 4 to 3 and 3 to 1, so 7 plus 5, 12, 2 is less than 12. Next 4 to 3 and 3 to 2, so 8 plus 7 is 15, 5 is less than 15. Next this value 0 as it is, so 250. Done. So this is what? D3. So finally we shall compute D4. So I will have to select the last row and last column. Right. Now see here, so 1 to 1, 0. Next see here, so it is 1 to 4 and 4 to 2, so 5 plus 6, 11, here 3 already there. Next 6 plus 7, 13, 5 is already there, so 3, 5 is this 6, 3, 1, 0. Next here 2, 5, 7 as it is. Next here, so 3 plus 2, 5, there is a better path, isn't it? See here 2 to 4, 4 to 1, therefore 2 to 1, there is a path with a new cost of 5. 5 is less than 7, I replace here 5. Next 0. Next here 3 plus 7, 10, so 2 is less than 10. Next, so 1 plus 2, 3. See 3 to 4, 4 to 1, therefore 3 to 1, there is a better path. 3 to 4, 1, 4 to 1, 2, so 3 is less than 5, so 3 I replace here. Next 3 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 2, therefore 3 to 2, there is a path. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 is less than 8, so 6. Next 3 to 3, 0 as it is. Yes, and we are done. So this is what the all pair shortest path. Done. So now I will come back to the formula. So dij of k equals minimum of dij of k minus 1. I mean, in the previous matrix, if we have, say for example 0, we have to return it as it is. Otherwise we have a better path from the previous matrix. I mean dik of k minus 1 in the previous matrix, using k as the intermediate vertex, plus dkj of k minus 1. I mean, so we have to select minimum of these two, right? And we shall look at the algorithm. Algorithm also straightforward implementation of this formula, exactly similar to the transitive closure. So k, I, j and dij is minimum of dij, comma dik plus dkj. That's it. Okay, right? And as it is a dynamic programming. It's a dynamic programming. Therefore, once you obtain this matrix, once you obtain this matrix, you apply the principle of optimality. That means the final solution, whatever may be the solution in the first iteration, so it is entirely different from what you expect at the end. Okay, so at each and every stage, at each and every stage we take decision, and it is a series of decisions that makes the dynamic programming. Okay.